Meaning of fortis.
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 Fortis. The word fortis has its origin in Latin, and it means strong or powerful. The term is often used to describe something with great physical or mental strength and resilience. In particular, it can refer to a person's character or abilities, such as their determination or perseverance in the face of adversity. It can also relate to objects or structures that are designed to withstand powerful forces or resist damage, such as fortresses or bridges. Overall, fortis connotes strength, durability, and steadfastness in numerous contexts.